Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today we will be teaching you a new word of the week!
I like it!
The word of the week is kangaroo! Yay! A kangaroo is a large plant-eating marsupial with a long, powerful tail. Kangaroos feed mainly on leaves and grass. Kangaroos also have strong back legs that allow them to move by leaping. Kangaroos have excellent hearing and eyesight. Kangaroos are found only in Australia and New Guinea. You can also use kangaroo in a sentence like this. The kangaroo jumped and jumped and jumped. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey. Kangaroo! If you liked our video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching, kiddos. Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week. Bye!
Joe and Joey's Imagination Station.